Hello everybody, this is Dr. Derek Strachan here with Divine Spine Chiropractic, and welcome to this week's Halloween health tip. So this week we're going to talk about blood sugar. It just seems very appropriate to talk about blood sugar considering it is the week where kids are going to be accumulating candy and bringing it into their bloodstream. And so we want to actually teach you some ways to control your blood sugar levels naturally so you can reduce the risk of things like diabetes. So the first thing you want to take a look at is your diet. If you have a lot of simple carbohydrates in your diet, you're increasing the risk of diabetes in a profound way. So reducing those or eliminating them is very, very important. So those would be breads and cereals, for example, or anything that's processed is going to be a simple carbohydrate. Looking for carbohydrates from your fruits and vegetables is the way to go. The second thing is reducing stress. So when you have high levels of stress, you have high levels of cortisol flowing through your bloodstream, which means your body is going to start accumulating fat. And so higher risk of fat means higher risk of diabetes. So if you reduce stress in your life, you're going to have less cortisol flowing, less fat accumulation. The third thing is going to be exercise. We all know exercise is important, but why is it important? Well, because you're going to be burning off not only fat. If you work out in an aerobic capacity, you're burning fat. But if you're working out in an anaerobic capacity, which is pushing against resistance, you're going to be burning sugar. So both those things are going to reduce the risk of getting diabetes. And so the fourth thing is going to be your gut health. So having a healthy gut function is so important. So taking something like probiotic is going to help your gut health, but also making sure that you have good, proper nerve supply to your pancreas, because your pancreas is going to be producing the insulin to uptake the blood sugar. So if you don't have good, proper nerve supply to your pancreas, you're at risk of getting things like diabetes. So having a functioning, clear nervous system through chiropractic adjustment is extremely important so that your brain cells can communicate with your pancreas cells to produce a natural functioning pancreas or insulin, so that you're just not, so there's not stress there. So those are some really simple, effective strategies, more effective than taking a drug. It has less side effects and you feel better doing it. So adopt those things into your life. If you are somebody who's has a lot of simple carbohydrates in your diet, just take slow, easy steps. Don't try to do everything at once. But if you need support around that, that's what we do. We help people make healthy choices. If you want to learn more about how you can improve your health overall from the inside out, look us up at www.divinespine.net and we can help you take that first step. Take care everyone and have a wonderful Halloween, and we'll catch you next week. Bye-bye.